everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a review and a foundation, a review and a swatch video on the Flormar Perfect Coverage Foundation. Today I actually have it on because I do have a full face of Flormar on, and I thought this would be the perfect time to review and sit down and talk to you guys about this foundation. Now this foundation actually does have SPF 15. It does come in a range of colors. I actually have 5 here to swatch for you because I do have a few of the colors. Now believe it or not, the colors could be deceiving. Now you wouldn't think that this color is the color I put on in the beginning of the video. I will link you to the video where I actually did this tutorial, this makeup look. You'd think it's not the right color, but honestly, can you see? This is the color that it came to. So this was in the number 100, if I'm not mistaken. 100 light ivory. I'm going to actually show you swatches because I think this does not do it justice. So this is the swatch of 100. So you wouldn't really think that this is the color, but there you go. So that is 100. It's the lightest shade that I currently have, and then we can go into soft beige. Now this, in my opinion, is more of your dewy semi-matte foundation. So I'm trying to get you the best lighting. I think this is where I've got to go. So we have the first one, which is more, in my opinion, warm, and then you have the more neutral, which is 102, which is actually called soft beige. We then have another color, I'm trying to make sure they're after each other, medium beige. So medium beige is obviously going to be slightly darker, very much darker, but then gives you more pinky undertones. So I would say this has got the more natural undertone, which is that one over there. Let's go in with these swatches first. I do have 132, which is natural beige. You're going to see the different colors. So this is going to be more yellow undertone, so it's going to be more of the warm. So there we go. So if you're more I would say warmer, I would say much warmer, like you have a yellow undertone. We're then ending on 134 Golden Honey, which you can see is brand new because I haven't actually swatched this one yet, but it's for your darker girlies, which is more of a caramel. So caramel is this. I don't know why swatches tend to go lopsided, but there you go. I'm going to actually tell you the colors as we go. Let me just get them in focus so I can see. Okay guys, so this is the full swatch. So we have 100, which is light ivory, the very top one. I would say has yellow goldeny undertones. You then have 102 soft beige, which again has the golden undertones, but it's got more neutral. We then go into 113, which is medium beige. I would say that has more of your orangey skin tone. We then go into 132 natural beige, which again has those golden undertones, and we end on Golden Honey, which is 134, which is, in my opinion, got more orangey to it. So those are the swatches right there. I thought I'd actually swatch them for you because I think that'll be easier. But as you can see, it is really hot. I have no AC or no air conditioning here, and it's boiling. But this is the look. I really like it. It's got that dewiness, got that really nice touch to it. I do have the setting spray on as well. Keeps it locked in place, but it's really light and very fluffy, I would call it. It's not that really mattifying foundation, that thick foundation. So it's not one of those foundations that's going to be thick on the skin. Well, this has got that kind of light kind of coverage. Can be buildable, so I would say it's more of the it is a medium to full coverage. I'm not going to say it's a light to medium because it's not. It's a medium to full coverage. You can build it up, but I really like it. This is the look that we did with it. It's got a bit more shine because it's probably really hot at the moment, but yeah, I really like it. And the swatches, again, as you can see, there are the swatches there. Color range is not that vast in my opinion. Normally I would prefer light colors for a lighter girly. This is probably going to be only my summer kind of foundation. I can't really use this in the winter because I go pasty Snow White. But yeah, currently for summer this is perfect. This is the perfect kind of color range for us Mediterranean girlies and with a bit of British skin like me. But yeah, like the kind of foundation, I like the consistency. It was very easy to build, and yeah, thought I'd just kind of just pop on here and give you my review and my thoughts and the swatches, because I know you guys girlies like to have the swatches. We like to see swatches, and I haven't really found any swatches online, so I thought I'd pop a little video for you guys to view. And yeah, let me know if there's anything else you want me to record, review, talk about, anything Flormar. Let me know, because I'm probably be able to do it if I have the products on hand. Let me know, guys, in the comments. I hope you guys have a lovely day wherever you're with. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.